Hi guys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple website. All right, it's just going to be a part one of a series. I'm gonna put it all together, so y'all watch this. If you like this type of content, let me know, leave a comment, and subscribe. So in order to put a website on a laptop or a desktop, you need a software to run in the background as a server. And that software on a Windows computer is XAMPP. And on a Mac computer is MAP. All right. I'm on a Windows, so I'm just gonna go to it. Let me see. Windows 14. Should be able to click right here. And there we go. X. As soon as I got hit X, XAMPP. As soon as that open up, then you're gonna get your code editor, your favorite code editor, whether that be Atom, Sublime Text. It's a bunch of, you can either use, what's that other, Bracket. You can use a lot of code editors, a lot of free ones out there. I, for one, am going to, once this load up finally, which it did in the background, I'm going to go ahead and get my, now when you get real deep into this stuff, you'll be able to load everything off the command prompt. Yep, I did that before. I'm not doing it on this tutorial. Let's get this out of here. All right, you gotta cut on your Apache. That's what runs the website, and your SQL for your database. You can cut all that on, boom, boom. All right. I might put up a video on installing XAMPP. Get your XAMPP running right. And I'll do a video on the ports and stuff and configuring your ports. All right, I got that running. As you see, everything is green. That's a good sign. That's what you want to see. Trust me, you'll know when it's not working right. I'm not going to tinker with it because it's working. I'm going to go over here to my folder. Let me see, I might have this folder already open. You go to your C drive on your Windows, XAMPP, or go to your map folder on Mac computer. You want to find your map and you look for htdocs folder. Open that up, and what I'm going to do is create a folder. All right, I'm gonna call this one, I'm making a tattoo joint, so I'm gonna go ahead and, I thought about making this tutorial while I was toying with the tattoo website. All right, this is where everything go down. All right, let's go back. Let me see, right click. Let me see if I can. Okay, cool. Let me see, what kind of file can I make? I'm actually looking through this through the camera because I can That let me know I'm holding the camera steady. Y'all didn't have to know it was a phone. But, let me see. All right, let's open up my code editor, which is Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code. All right, I'm going to open from folder. htdocs, tattoo. Bam. All right, there we go. Now tattoos directory. And we're gonna create a file. It's gonna be home page. Today we're working with PHP. All right. Bam. All right. All right. What this is good old HTML. You can go ahead and use this format right here with HTML. I'm gonna call this right here is in your HTML. You put doc type HTML with a HTML language English header body, you know, and this close the HTML tag right here. All right, so let's pull this up on a web page. It should be ready to read. I should be able to, let me save it. I should be able to right click. All right. Let me use Chrome. I should use my other page. All right, that's the site right there. But we want to see the website. So you go to localhost. // there we go. Bam. All right, let's see if we can put this on the side. And all right, let's see how this works. Don't restore nothing right now. All right, let's see. Let's see here. I'm gonna do a simple let's see here. Bam. Do you see what I mean? All right. It's a lot to learn on this course. So y'all follow. I got another page too on Instagram if you like tattoos. Follow the other page on I type like this with one hand, shawty. Let's see. See? And then I can, you're like, why does it look like that? And I'm be like, chill, shawty. Just chill. Bam. Yeah. But y'all subscribe.